All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, what lovely people. Rick Reed here. Just wanted to present to you two amazing opportunities that I put together on one tremendous flyer. Okay, if you're in a postcard program, you want to take a look at this particular postcard, okay? Because this postcard has the potential of you earning $500 to $11,000 that day, that month, that week, or whatever happens when you send this out. By sending postcards, you save a lot on mail because it costs a lot less than the postage. They went up to 56 cents on the flyers. These are like 36 cents. Okay, but let me go into the opportunity. Okay, I'm going to show you where the postcard does the work for you. Okay, using nothing but a recorded voicemail message, and it's going to be going over the presentation 24/7. They simply make a phone call and listen to that message. Okay, or they can go to mailboxcashmoney.com. That's mailboxcashmoney.com. That's for this particular postcard, which is the Prosperity People system. Now, the product that you're going to receive is some digital products, information, educational products, and everything like that. Okay, it's a simple system. You don't have to worry about rejections. You don't have to worry about cold calling people. You don't have to worry about having a computer, because even with my flyer program, which is here, the Cash Cow program, you don't have to have a computer. So go look at both of these opportunities. Go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. And also take a look at the mailboxcashmoney.com, based on your budget. When you go to cashcowprogram.com, review all the flyers. I think I have close to 50 flyers now. So there's something that fits everyone budget, no matter who you are. Okay, there's big ticket and low ticket. This particular postcard is a high ticket postcard at mailboxcashmoney.com. It is so simple to do. All you're doing is drop in this beautiful postcard in the mail. All right, now right here is the back of the postcard. Your stamp goes here. Now I'm going to be giving you some leads based on where you get started. Okay, if you do the 500, you're gonna get so many leads. If you do the 1500, the 3000, the 5000, or the 11,000, I'm gonna give you so many leads for getting started. Okay, this is basically 100 leads here. Okay, you're gonna get 500 here. You're gonna get 1,000 here. You're gonna get 2,000 here, and you're gonna get 3,000 leads. So now you don't have to pay for the leads. Okay, and you just put your lead here, put your stamp right here, and you off and running. Now here's the simple steps for you to get started. Okay, you're gonna go to mailboxcashmoney.com, mailboxcashmoney.com, and watch the short video there. It's about 15 minutes, something like that, 12, 15 minutes. Watch that little video through its entirety. Okay, then you can call this 24/7 sizzle call. Okay, and it's 800-276-7420. That's 800-276-7420. Listen to it through its entirety, because what you may miss here, you'll pick up here. This is before you call me. Okay, again, do not call me unless you've been to the site, okay, and viewed this video and viewed that website, because there's certain questions you can ask that I'll be asking. I'm not going to be doing a full presentation to you. That's the purpose of this. I want you to duplicate exactly what I'm doing. Let the site do all the selling, all the telling for you, because you could call back and listen to this anytime you want, 24/7. Now here's the nights that you have like conference call where you can get other people interested in, and I help you close on these people Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 9 p.m. Eastern, okay, 8 p.m. Central Time, or 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Okay, Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central, and 1 p.m. Pacific Time. You can call this. Here's the PIN number to get in. Well, the number to call to get in is 774-267-3527. There's no PIN needed. Just call. Get on and check it out. Then after that, you can give me a call. 800-276-7420. Okay, be prepared to get started because I can help you make a lot of money with this program. And here it is again. Here's one of the flyers. You can get a duplicate of this flyer. Also, what I do is I take this postcard and I put it in all my mailings from my flyer program at the cashcowprogram.com. Okay, because if they look at the flyers that's in that envelope, see, you giving them a selection. Take that postcard, drop it in there. I normally mail out like 500 postcards a week. And the results are amazing. Okay, I don't know if this is an opportunity of a lifetime for you, but it's one of those opportunities, and you take advantage of it. People take advantage of this opportunity before this opportunity expires. Because what I'm also going to give you is I have a postcard flyer program. A postcard flyer program. It normally costs $50. That's going to be free to you. Okay, and when you mail that out, you can stuff this postcard with it. All right, it's basically going to have your information here, and I'll help you with that. And now what they're going to select with that flyer is they're going to select what they want: 100, 200, or 300, or 400 postcard stamps sent to them. That means they're going to get $50 cash, and they're going to get 100, 200, 300, or 400 postcard stamps. Can you imagine, people? I'm sending you leads when you get started, hot leads to get started. All right, can you imagine sending this with your flyer, your postcard flyer, and you're going to pick up an extra $50 and 100 to 400 stamps when they get started? That's amazing, people. Plus the 500 to 11,000 that they're going to check, that they want to get started with the mailbox cash money. The mailboxcashmoney.com, people. This is two hot, amazing programs. Again, right here. All right, here's the steps to follow. Go to the website, mailboxcashmoney.com. Okay, call the 800 number. It's 24/7, 800-276-7420. Matter of fact, you can call right now. Here are the times when you get started. What I'll do is we can plug these people into this call right here. Okay, and can you imagine you being on the phone, and I just want you to listen to how I talk to the people that you have that's interested, but you want to make sure that they go to your website, okay, because you'll get a website. Make sure they go to your website, okay, and they listen to the call, so you don't have to be on the phone for long periods of time trying to explain this to them. That's what the system is all about. That's why I want you to follow it. That way you can expect people to do the same thing. Okay? Have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. This is some of the easiest money I've ever made. And guess what? You can do the same thing, because God is not a respecter of person. What He do for me, He'll do the same things for you. So you have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are.